You guys, welcome back. I'm looking forward to the growing season again. Here's an excerpt from my Small Patio Garden Tour video. I'll be making Kaprao, an easy pork stir fry with fresh holy basil from the small garden. I had a lot of fun growing holy basil this past year, and I'm looking forward to growing some more this year. We'll need a chili garlic paste, The chili garlic paste is done. We'll use it shortly. On medium-high heat, in goes oil. Chili garlic paste. Ground pork. Season with Golden Mountain seasoning sauce. Fish sauce, dark soy sauce, the sweet kind, and sugar. Season and adjust to taste. Sear the meat well. Some char will add smokiness too. And holy basil. Shut off the heat and allow the residual heat to wilt them. This way will maintain their fresh flavor and aroma. Serve with jasmine rice, cucumbers, and if you like, a fried omelet. That would also be good. Here we have it, Kapraoหมูสับ. It's savory, peppery, spicy, and fragrant. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, and I'll see you all next week. Be safe, everyone.